In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a plus at the bottom right corner. And firstly, to add an audio file, hit Files. Then to look for your file, you can tap on one of those apps, select audio at the top, or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, when you're ready, hold your file and hit select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video and hit gallery section instead of files. Look for your video here, and when you find it, click on it to add it. If it's too long, you need to trim it. Hit done at the top right corner and wait. If you can't find your video here, just click on Folders, look for it here, click on it, and do exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!